Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro to iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, this is how to do the connection. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Alright, first thing first is to switch on your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. So you press hold the home button like this, and it's going to switch on the watch. And you can see here it says nice to meet you, and you can just swipe left like this, and you're going to see the language menu. So you select the language that you understand. Like here now I understand English, so I'm going to select English. So when you select English, it's going to take you to the QR code page. Here you can scan the QR code and it's going to take you to where you are going to download the app on Apple App Store. So now let's just scan this QR code. Okay, open. And it says open this page in Apple App Store. Open. And here is the app, Oraimo Health. So you select get and install. As you can see now, it is installing the app on our iPhone. Once it is done with the app installation, we can proceed and scan the code and get it connected. So let's just wait for some seconds. Now our app has been installed. We select open. And here is the home page of the Oraimo Health app. Now we have login here, start now, and tourist mode. So this login is if you have already have an ID or a username and password, you can come here and log in. But if you are just starting out for the first time, you select start now. And if you don't want to register or anything, then you have to select tourist mode. Now for here, I'll be showing you how you can register. So you select start now. It will prompt a message that says you should agree. So just agree. And it's going to ask for your location, so allow Oraimo Health to use your location. Select allow while using app. So once you are done with that, it's going to show you country region where you are going to select. You can see Nigeria already. Now you have privacy policy. If you want to go through that, you can do that, but I've done that already in my previous video. So I'm going to select the next option here. Now you have to input your email, and it's going to send you verification. Okay, so when you select this column, it's going to tell you to enter your email. So let me put my email. Then you select get option here. Once you see this countdown timer, you can just go to your email and check for this verification code. Okay, so let's go to our email and check for the verification code. Alright, here is my email. As you can see, Transmail Oraimo Health verification. So I'm selecting that, and you're going to see the code. As you can see, this is the code. So I'm going to input the code here, which is the verification code 642949. So once you are done with that, then you can now input your password. That means the password you want to use for this account. So I'm going to input my password now. Once you have input your new password, you can select return or done. Then you select register. It is registering. So here you have to select your gender, height, weight, and date of birth. And let's select our gender. I'm a male, so confirm. Your height, select your height, confirm. Select your weight, confirm, and select your date of birth, confirm. Once you are done with this page, just select the option next. The next option is for steps, calorie burns, and activity duration, which these are in default good. So just leave them this way and select completed. Once you select that, it's going to take you to the pair device page where you can scan the QR code or you connect manually. Here I'm going to be using the manual setting. Let's just select this Watch 2 Pro, which is the model that we are trying to connect. So I select that, and it's going to search for the watch right here. So as you can see, it is searching for pairing. Now it has located it. Now we select the watch here. Once you select it, then it's going to connect. Just wait for it. As you can see on our watch, it says bind or not, so you are going to select bind, and you can see it says bind successfully done, experience now. Now on the watch, you can just select experience now, acknowledge. Now it has been connected, and on our Bluetooth here, you can see Bluetooth pairing request. You select pair, and here it says we should do something at our notification access page. So notification access is not enabled yet, so you have to allow it. So you select allow. Here you can see it is still disabled, so you have to allow. You select allow, and here it says Oraimo Health would like to access your contacts. Okay, and now it's going to show Bluetooth call enabled. So here, if you want to enable the Bluetooth calling feature of your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro smartwatch, you have to set it up. First of all, you have to go to your watch. Okay, double tap the home button, and it's going to show this quick menu. Then you select it and make sure it is toggled on like this, just as it is shown here on the phone. Okay, so once it is turned on, then you can go to your settings and connect the second Bluetooth. Okay, because this Oraimo Watch 2 Pro uses 2 Bluetooth, so you have to connect the second one. You have connected the first one already. Now we go to our Bluetooth once again, and you can see you have just one Bluetooth connected here. Another Bluetooth are just shown on our smartphone, so you select that once again, and you can see we have 2 Bluetooth connected. Now you can use the Bluetooth call feature of your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. If you don't do it this way, it's not going to connect when you are trying to make call or receive call with your smartwatch. And that is just how to connect your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro to iPhone. In case you are experiencing any difficulty, please just reboot your smartphone and start all over again. Sometimes it may be your smartphone that is not connecting well, and sometimes it may be the smartwatch, but just reboot both of them just for refreshing sake. And once you have done that, restart the process and it's going to connect seamlessly. If you have any question or difficulty still, please drop it down there in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. And this is how to connect it. As you can see right here on the watch, it is connected, and you can see right on the app, it will show connected also. Just come down here, select this icon, and you are going to see your Oraimo Watch 2 Pro connected. So that is it, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Babatunde Motal here. Bye for now. Peace.